Everyone, welcome back. It's been a long time, and today finally I got a chance to create something. So today I'm going to show you how to create a very beautiful and nice presentation using ChatGPT. So we have already discussed, there are a lot of advantages using ChatGPT. So it can help you in your day-to-day activities. It can help you write an email. It can help you create documents, or it can generate the contents for you. So there are a lot of stuff it can do. But apart from that, today we are going to see how it can help you also to create a nice presentation. So basically, we are going to use here is the ChatGPT version 3.5, but which is a text-based model. So the PPT that is going to be generated from ChatGPT will be text-based, but again, it can use the placeholder for images where you can insert your own image and generate the nice presentation. But if you are using ChatGPT, the latest one, the version 4, you don't need to worry about anything, and you can simply generate the code for this, and your PPT will be ready in 5 minutes. Okay, the ChatGPT will do all the work for you. It can generate the content, it can generate the images and everything for you. Okay, so let's start and see how it can be done. Okay, so before I jump into that presentation, let me introduce you to our channel, Technical Lab. So I share tutorials for cloud computing, Python, Linux, and other programming languages. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. So there are a lot of videos in each playlist that you can use and see. Okay, so let's start the process. And okay, so as I said, we will be using the PPT VBA code. So it is basically Visual Basic Application code. So what I'm going to tell ChatGPT is that I want you to generate VBA code for creating PPT on, and you can, the topic that you can decide, like based on requirement, you can give any topic you want. So let's say I want to do on human evolution. Okay, how human evolved. Okay, so this is my topic. You can take any topic based on your requirement. With, let's say, and you can give I can giving I'm giving here 5 slides. Okay, so you can give any number of slides you want. Okay, generate the text content on your own, because if you don't mention this, they may give you the placeholder for text. Okay, also include images. It cannot include the image actually, but it can give you the place location where you can insert your own images. Okay, and do not use any placeholder. Okay, can you, right? So I think that's enough, and let me see what it does. So I want you to generate VBA code for creating PPT on human evolution with 5 slides. Generate the text content on your own, so they will do all the generation of the text. Also, do not use any placeholder. Okay, so let me see what it does. Okay, so what it will do is it will generate the VBA code. So it is basically a Visual Basic Applications code which you can use in your PPT and create the presentation. So before it, it may take some time, like maybe 1 or 2 minutes based on the number of slides you want to generate. So let me show you what it has already. I have already created with it. Okay, so let's just start and let's just see how it works. So we go to slideshow, and this is the PPT it has generated. So it's on the history of human evolution, and you see the content is also created by ChatGPT. Okay, so these are the images which have been included by me, and you can also customize the position of the text, the fonts. You can change the positions of the images. Everything you can change. Okay, so there were only 5 slides at this moment, and as simple as that. So you can do that. So let's see how it can be achieved. Okay, so coming back to our chat GPT, as you can see, it is generating the uh, slides. Okay. Okay, sometimes what it does is it gives you the path to image, so it can also give you like a colon slash slash, or otherwise you can give you like this, as a string. Okay, so as I can see here, yeah, so it is giving a very less amount of text. So you can also ask him, right? Can you give me more text, or can you give me based on your see, as I can see here, the title is this, but the text is very small. So you can also mention here, like, can you include more text content? Okay, so uh, so if you do this, as I mentioned earlier, it is like a chat, and as if you are and you will interact with chat GPT as if you are talking to a person. So it is different from other uh, agents. Okay, so here everything that you chat with is not considered to be a fresh start. It responds you based on your previous conversations, and it is a continued chat. Okay, so I'll just let it finish. Then I'll pause the video, and then I will, once it is finished, I will copy the text, the code from here to VBA. So let's go ahead and do that. So you go to this. So you have to go to the developer tab or developer option, or you just type Alt F11. Okay, so this will create the this will open the VBA applications prompt for you. So what you have to do is the earlier code that came up was for earlier PPT that was created. So you just have to click on insert and new module, and then you get this new module. Okay, page. So here what you have to do is you have to paste the code. So let's go back, and here you can just simply copy this code from here, and you can, so I'm just copying this code and paste it into the uh, this code section. Okay, so as you can see, it will give you a placeholder where you can put your image. So what I have done is I have downloaded few images that I can use. Okay, so so here I have downloaded some images. So I just will use this image path and put it into our image location. So the first one is download 1.jfif. Okay, so as it is, and then just have to, that's all. I just have to, you know place this image path at all the locations where there was the placeholder for image. And of course you can also change the uh, text content and the font of that. You can also change the position. So if the images are going down further, let me check. I mean, we don't know, so we will check so far how it is going. Okay, so you just have to close this and go to view tab, and then go to macros, and go to your presentation, and then select the macro, and then click on run. Okay, so once you do that, it is as simple as that. It gave you the PPT in minutes. Okay, so you can see the PPT is ready with 5 slides. So you go to slideshow from beginning, and there you go, your PPT is ready to be used. Okay, so as simple as that. And now based on your requirement, you can also change your, for example, if this image is further down or further above, you can customize this using the code. So Alt F11, you just have to go here. So this is the X position and this is the Y position of the text, and again this is for the content and this is for the picture. So again, if you want to move the picture, you can move this X and Y coordinate. Okay, you can also resize the size of the image using this 600 and 300. Okay, so also you can increase and decrease the font of the title and the text based on your requirement. Okay, so as simple as that, and there you go, your PPT is ready. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share, and there are a lot of things that can be done using ChatGPT. So I want you to if you think this is useful, I want you to share this, and